Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob for the smart key fob for the Honda CR-V. And this is a fob used from 2016 till present. So this is a really easy one to change. And the first thing you want to do is flip it over, and you can see this little knob in the back. It's got an arrow pointing down. And if we just pull this towards us like this, we can pull out the valet key like so. Now once you've got the valet key out, if you look in the middle of the key here, this key's kind of, if you look at it, it's got a line that goes all the way around. This key can be popped into two pieces really easily. So if you take the valet key, insert it right in the middle and twist between the two pieces, this thing will pop right off. It's really easy, don't worry about breaking it. It comes apart really nicely. Inside here, you've got a CR2032 coin battery, and there's an easy way to pop this out. Again, just take your valet key, and you can get right underneath that, and just pop that guy out. And when you put in a new CR2032 back in, just make sure the positive side is facing towards you. And there's kind of two longer tooths that hold in the battery here, so if you place those in first, it'll pop back in really easily. Now, put the other side back together like this. Just pop it back together in a few spots. Put your valet key back in. And that's it. So that's how you replace the CR-V batteries for the smart key from 2016 to present.